Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speakers, loosen the 2 captive screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the 5 other screws and pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the speakers and remove the piece of tape. Disconnect the cables and lift the speakers out of the system. To reinstall the speakers, place them back in the system. Reconnect the cables and reattach the piece of tape. Plug in the battery cable and secure the base cover with the 7 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.